before we see how to do a chi-square analysis, let's review how to create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. So I have here the burglary data, and I'm going to start by clicking Insert and then Pivot Table and choosing Pivot Table from the drop-down list. And now I want to define the range that I want to use for the pivot table. Excel took a guess here and actually guessed correctly, but if I need to specify this manually, I would just hold down the mouse button, highlight the data that I want to use, and let up. There we go. Alright, and now I need to specify where in the spreadsheet I want this pivot table to show up. So I'm going to make sure existing worksheet is checked here. This will keep it in the same worksheet that we're working in right now. And I'm going to choose a specific location. I'm going to get rid of the one that's here already. And let's put it right up here in cell D1. Okay, so we click OK. And then I have this little dialog area over here that I can fill out. And remember, when you're setting up a pivot table, you want to put the cause in the column labels box and the result in both the row labels box and the values labels box. So what we're guessing here is that the location where you are is the cause, and the status, whether your case is open or cleared, is the result. So I'm going to put status both in the row labels box and also in the values box. And so you see what we've got here now. We have, let me close this out. We have in the minority neighborhoods, 5 of the burglaries were cleared and 10 of them are still open, whereas in the white neighborhoods, 12 of the burglaries that we selected were cleared and 3 of them are still open. And there are a total of 30. There are 15 burglaries in minority neighborhoods, 15 in white neighborhoods. This was, of course, our random sample. And overall we have 17 cleared and 13 open. So that's a refresher on how to create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel.